padre no me quiere ni un minuto al mes. Tu madre te prohíbe la palabra Andrés. No hay flores para ella o vino para él. Y no hay
Oh, they're selling tacos.
You like tacos?
I love tacos. I'm gonna have like 1 tacos per day in Mexico.
One tacos only?
No, not 1. Like at least 1 meal per day.
Okay.
Oh, what is this place? AT&T
AT&T is a water park.
water park. I have to come here. Wow, that is so awesome. Look at the screen.
paraíso, el paraíso. No hay nada como estar contigo. Perdone que le diga que no puedo estar sin besar a su mal. Me pierdo entre la gente y no encuentro el compás. Es algo tan absurdo que no sepa ver. Que ya no es una niña, ahora es una mujer. Pensaba que era fácil pararle los pies, pero se dobló un paraíso antes. Paraíso es, paraíso es, paraíso.
저를 걷어보이라고 하면
Yo sé que usted es un papá, que no pensamos igual, pero su hija ya entró en el paraíso ideal. Y cuéntale a tu mamá que ya se va a acostumbrar a verme más por aquí, tocar la puerta al entrar. Mi paraíso es tu paraíso.
I never wanna get you alone. I'm scared of you.
we're just gonna dive in here.
No, we're gonna walk there. Let me check these guys.
Would you swim here? I think I'd rather not. Maybe you can swim in the car wash. Maybe it's better.
That platform is now our access to the water. So there's the little stairs, and if you use them, water will reach you like here. Like I said, the cenote is not like this. It's not like this, no? And I like to say it has 4 different layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 5-10 meters. The green is what I told you is this green visibility is kind of like dirty, murky water. As we descend through it, we look clear again. Past it. And if you look down, you'll be able to see the white cloud with this island in the middle. It's a gas, and it gets like shapes of water. Facing each other, we go down.
Okay.
Facing each other because we want to be pointing the lights like this.
Okay.
It's like 3 meters thick. And then when we cross the cloud, again we have very clear water. The sun doesn't go through the cloud, so it's like night time. Going up, 5 meters, 3 minutes, safety stop, and then we're good.
Okay.
I don't wanna fuck this up. Why would we fall in love when it feels so good to touch? Feel the way my cheeks go blush. Why would we fall in love when it feels so good to crush? Crush. Crush.
See you guys.
That's Hurricane. That's Hurricane. Whoa.
see nothing, right?
Mhm.
We have 1 meter like this of a layer here. But underneath that layer, clean again. This area is like no swimming.
Ah, okay.
That's where the tortoise and the crocodile like to pose themselves around here, but I don't see them. They're usually in the lily pads.
Ah.
Te pido que encontremos un camino y a partir de ya ser más que amigos.
Being recorded.
This cavern is a big room. So the opening, the entrance go from over this part. All of that is open. And with that shape, it kind of like goes in like that. Big the book here like that.
Solo es conmigo, conmigo el camino que debes tú tomar. Sé que yo te puedo enamorar. Solo es contigo, contigo que vivo toda una eternidad.
Te ruego solo una oportunidad.
Ya no sé qué hacer, me desespero.
Cuando estás con alguien y te veo,
Sabiendo hasta los huesos que a ti yo pertenezco.
y que yo debo ser tu complemento.
Solo es conmigo, conmigo el camino que debes tú tomar. Sé que yo te puedo enamorar. Solo es contigo, contigo que vivo toda una eternidad. Te ruego solo una oportunidad.
Solo es conmigo, conmigo el camino.
Que debes tú tomar.